Hi guys, it's Christopher over at Funtown RV. Right now we are in the indoor showroom here in Corsicana, Texas. Going to be doing a walkthrough on the Alta 2100 MBH. Let's take a look. Guys, right behind the power jack is going to be our dual propane tanks with the cover right here and our battery right here. So part of the RVIP package is making sure that you have that battery and your propane tanks are filled. There are a lot of other features about the RVIP package that we'll mention as we go through. All right, so kicking it off door side, right here we have humongous pass-through storage, guys. Plenty of room, plenty of space for all those goodies that you need to bring along on that awesome camping trip. Here you're gonna see our 12-volt power awning. One of the great features about Solaire's 12-volt power awning, let's say all the rain, it's raining and it needs dumped out, it will dump by itself, collapse, and then pop right back out. So you don't have to will it in manually or anything like that. It takes care of it by itself. All right, guys, right here is going to be our step above steps. So easy to adjust. Whenever we are headed down the road, of course, it's going to be just like this. Then we pull our little blue lever, pull these down, adjust our legs. They adjust separately just in case you're not on even terrain. Then, of course, we set it right down and make sure that our spacing is closed off to ensure that whenever we close our door, it's nice and smooth. You all know that storage is going to be a huge, crucial part in any camping trip. We actually have a locked storage compartment right here, so no matter what you need, you're able to store it right there and keep it locked and secured. Well, if it needs to be dog treats or anything like that, it's fantastic because right next to there, we're actually going to have our leash latch for all those furry friends. All right, so whether it's the campsite or it's the tailgate, either way you're covered. We are still under our awning with our outside kitchen and then our marine grade speakers right above us. So you're able to cook out, have fun, enjoy the outdoors, but also making sure if there's any bad weather that you're still covered. All right, we're on the back side of the camper now, guys. Of course, we're gonna have that spare tire right here. Our bumper right here, so this is an awesome feature to have. So there's actually caps that go on the end of the bumper, and that's gonna be great for storing that sewer hose. And then if you look right above us, it is gonna be pre-wired for a Furrion rear camera. So that's gonna be great at eliminating those blind spots as you're going down the road, but also helping you back up into that perfect camping spot. A few other gems is gonna be our quick connect for an outside shower. It's right beside our outdoor kitchen, but also if you need to wash off before heading inside, it's a great feature to have. All right, guys, we just took a look at all those amazing features that this Alta 2100 MBH has on the outside. Let's go inside and take a look at a couple more. We just stepped foot in this Alta 2100 MBH. We have this nice couch here, able to see the TV, enjoy company. Let's say it's bedtime, we're ready to hit the sack, and just a few easy steps and we're able to do so. First thing we're gonna do is fold down our sofa. Then we have our safety latches here, in here. We pull those down. Our base comes out. And we're ready for bed. Check out this kitchen. Not only are we gonna have plenty of storage above, a fantastic sink where they actually have this cutting board where you are able to put it in here, give you that extra counter space when needed, but we have a humongous deep sink that we're able to use. And you're like, gosh, Christopher, this Alta definitely threw in the towel. Well, no, they didn't. They went ahead and added these awesome drawers, tons of space, and then extra space for any pots and pans or anything that you can think of in this kitchen. Even under the stove, which is going to be a gray stone 3-burner stove and oven. Easy to fold up, just like that. And then one of the things you'll notice behind here is actually going to be these little slats. You're like, what are we going to use those slats for? That's actually going to be for knives. So it's great storage. You just slide the knives down in there. You're able to keep them nice and safe. And then whenever you need them, they're there. So guys, we're in the dinette area. This actually folds down, makes into a bed. Back cushions come down. We have our plugs and USBs below, but then right here you'll notice we have the storage. They made sure to maximize all the space in this camper to make sure you can utilize every square inch. Guys, check out this humongous Everchill fridge. So tons of space inside the fridge, but even more than that, look how much space we have in that freezer. Tons of room, tons of space for all the goodies. All right, right beside our Everchill fridge is actually gonna be this humongous pantry. So tons of space, tons of storage, all for those goodies and snacks, get you ready and get everybody sugared up and having fun. So guys, included in that low price, the Alta is also bringing you this Fury on TV included. So we have it out, kicked out, having fun, enjoying TV. It's time to hit the road. We're able to put it up against the wall, nice and secured. Right below that is going to be tons of storage, guys. So we have hookups if you ever wanted to add a sound bar or anything. All the wires ran through here. Tons of space for storage in here, and then our drawers underneath. So anything and everything you can think of that you need to store, you're able to do so. But then there's one more hidden gem right here. That's going to be your pet-friendly bowl. So for their food and water, it just slides right out there at the bottom, and you're able to kick it out, feed them, having fun, and then slide it away when we don't need it. All right, guys, we have these double over double bunks, humongous, lots of space, lots of sleeping room. Our ladder actually unhooks just like this. You're able to slide it up top. And while we're up here, you'll notice our push button lights and our USBs in both bunks. But let's say you have some bikes or anything that you need to bring along with you on the trip. This actually folds up our bottom bunk, secure it in the back, and we're able to slide anything and everything in there for storage to bring with us. All right, guys, we're in the bathroom. Look how much space is in here. Tons of room, tons of space. Right above me, we're gonna have our exhaust vent, so able to open it up. That's gonna be a key feature. Whenever you get to the campsite, it's summertime, it's nice and hot. You actually open this up, turn your AC on, turn your vent fan on, because hot air rises, it's gonna help suck that hot air out. But other than that, the key features in this bathroom, guys, we're gonna actually have a porcelain toilet right here. So it's all about bringing those amenities from home on the go. And then check out how huge this walk-in shower is. So tons of space, tons of room, and they actually have right here the extra headspace. So myself, I'm 6'4", and I'm not even in the dome. So they have so much room, so much space in here. A humongous medicine cabinet right here. Tons of space above. We have our sink with our GFI plug, our light control right here. So right below the sink, guys, we're gonna have so much space and storage for anything, but don't forget, we're actually gonna have that open storage right here for any towels or toiletry that you may need to store. All right, guys, whether you are biking, fishing, camping, or you just now started having fun outdoors, Funtown's gonna be your one-stop shop with the most aggressive pricing in the market and having anything and everything that you need for the outdoors. Make sure to come see us at one of our many locations throughout Oklahoma, Texas, Indiana, and Illinois. We are your one-stop shop for fun.